Hey guys, while I'm about to start a project, I thought I'd share this site with you if you haven't heard of it before. Super useful. So if you're trying to make textures in Photoshop and just need something super subtle, you can obviously drag in your own high-res images of paper and all that good stuff. But if you're looking for something that's seamless pattern and very subtle, then this is a great site to use called Subtle. Well, I usually type in subtlepatterns.com and this is what comes up, or just Google subtle patterns and you'll get this site. So they have just tons and tons of little images on here that will be small PNGs when you download them, and then you can create patterns within Photoshop. So I was going to show you how to do that really quickly. I'm looking for a kind of a light looking pixely computer screen vibe. So I've downloaded a few, but if you find one you like, all you got to do is just click on this download button and it will download here. So I'm going to drag these into just a place where I can make sure I keep up with them. So I'm going to throw them in this little assets folder here, a couple of different ones for me to mess with. Okay, so it is a zip file, so I'm going to open this up and extract these, and okay. And then I can go in here, and they're very small little PNG files, so I believe I can, I should be able to open it in Photoshop. Let's see, open with Photoshop, and it's going to give me a very small document. Let's see if I can maybe even zoom in, like, I mean, extremely small. So then all I need to do is go to edit and define pattern, and we'll just keep this named as zigzag, and I'll hit OK, and then that's done. So if I go back to my my comp that I'm using, I'm going to make a new layer. I can make it any color. We'll just do like a cream colored box here, and then I'm going to double click on that, and I'm going to go to pattern overlay, and then I'm going to find my new one here, which it should pop in right there. So I'm going to click on zigzag and hit OK, and so now you can see that it's got a very light, it's on there super light. So it does it does this color, but you can do different blending modes to get the vibe you're going for. So let's see if that kind of shows up. That doesn't show up very well. Or you can put it on its own layer and then blend that with a different color, a shape or something. So yeah, again, it's very subtle, but it's a great way to make some nice patterns. So you can play with a little bit, change the scale and all that good stuff. So anyways, I thought that might be a helpful resource. So check it out, use it next time. Let me know what you think. All right, bye.